Hi everyone, so this is a video tutorial for how to do the reverse snare. Okay, so as you see, I'm very beginner. Keep practicing. First step, you have to close your mouth. Put your lips in that way, and so important, full of air this part. Not here, only here. And here, it's gonna create some little holes for there. And that will make the sound. So, and the final step, you have to do that sound like cough, but it's not with your throat, it's only with the air you have here. It's like as I remember, the only way that I can do the sound at the beginning is with so much pressure. I literally got so tired doing the sound like this way. Look, my pain is gonna blow up. But yeah, you have to at the beginning put so much pressure until you get the sound. And when you get it, you can do the TKs behind in your with your tongue, like. And I think that's all. If you need something, you can tell me. You can write a comment. I can respond you.